We begin by importing the necessary components from Next document. These include HTML, head, main, and Next script, which are the building blocks of the custom document structure in a Next.js application. Here we declare a class called MyDocument that extends the base document class provided by Next.js. This custom document allows us to customize the entire HTML document structure. Inside the render method, we generate a random value for the nonce. This is accomplished by using the crypto module's random bytes function, which creates a buffer of 16 random bytes. We then convert this buffer to a base 64 string, which will serve as our nonce. The render method must return the document structure starting with the less than HTML greater than element. This wraps all the content of our HTML document. Inside the less than HTML greater than element, we begin with the less than head greater than section. This is where we'll include any metadata, styles, and scripts that need to be applied to the entire document. Now, we add an inline script tag inside the less than head greater than. We set the nonce attribute to the generated nonce value. The script's content is defined using dangerously set inner HTML, which allows us to inject raw HTML, in this case, our inline script code. Remember, this method should be used cautiously to avoid cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. We close the less than head greater than section after including any inline scripts with the nonce. Following the less than head greater than, we have the less than body greater than element. This is where the main content of our web page will reside. We include the less than main greater than component, which renders the actual page content from the individual pages of the Next.js application. We also include the less than next script greater than component with the nonce attribute. Less than next script greater than is a Next.js component that injects the necessary scripts for your page to work. By applying the nonce to these scripts, we ensure they adhere to our content security policy. We conclude the body section and the entire HTML document structure, ensuring that our nonce is applied both to the inline script in the head and the Next.js managed scripts in the body, upholding a strict content security policy. Lastly, we export MyDocument as the default export from the file. This custom document will now be used in our Next.js application, leveraging a nonce for each render to safely include inline scripts within a strict CSP.